Hello SNU stars, I am your host Arisa Mukherjee, live from Sister Nivedita University. I will be opening the very first episode of SNU Amplified, where we are real, raw and unfiltered. I am opening the first episode called SNU College Life and Adulting. So with me is my guest Shomala and Krishnava. Please introduce yourself to the audience.
My name is Krishnava, aka 11.
Yo, my name is Shomalu. I go by the name Grim.
So how are you today? Like, how's the vibe coming? Are you all excited about it?
Yeah.
It's all good, man.
So you guys are rappers, and in SNU it's like a big thing right now.
Yeah,
You have been featured in Red FM.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God! Like, salute to you. And Krishna, you're budding. You started
Yeah, I'm
just
doing
now. Tell the audience how you have started your journey.
Yeah, I started listening to Eminem and all, the whole Slaughterhouse gang.
The
and
OG
all.
gangs.
Yeah, like that. J. Cole, Kendrick, they are all like my inspiration. They're
Oh
my
my
go-to. Let's
God.
go.
That's really good. Shomala, what inspired you?
I started with new school artists more like Travis Scott, Post Malone,
The
Yeah, let's
Weeknd.
The Weeknd, of course, yeah, Metro
Yeah.
Boomin. Then I started discovering more, got into the hip hop culture,
Yes.
made connections with the community around me who doing hip hop.
Yes.
Then I got to the OGs, Eminem, J. Cole, Kendrick Lamar, of course.
Yeah.
That's
so,
how I started.
as a rapper and also a student in SNU, it must be taking a toll on you, I guess. As a rapper, how are you handling everything?
Yeah, I come from Howrah,
Oh my
which is
God.
like a lot of travel involved. Like sometimes my transportation time is more than the class timings. So it's really hectic in that way. So what I do is I don't sleep at home. I sleep at the bus. Right.
Yeah,
So like that's like a
awesome,
big
man.
long journey, na?
Oh my God.
What am I gonna do? Like look out the window? No. I
No,
sleep at the bus,
sleep.
then
Yeah.
get home, get to work,
That's time, man.
studies
Oh my
and
God.
music.
And you?
Yeah, I dabble between all these things, like my college. Yeah, college takes a lot of time. Yeah, it does, but it also gives me like motivation to do. Like I got my
Motivation,
homies,
inspiration,
man.
huh?
It's like my small group. They hype me up when I rap and all. So it's like, yeah, it hypes me up. When I go home, I write a verse and all. It's all time management.
Just
Wow.
getting the experiences for the writing.
Yeah, for real, for
Shomala,
real.
I heard you were an introvert before you came to SNU. So how did SNU
Yeah,
help
me
you?
too, man.
Yes, so back in school, I didn't really have many friends, right? I had
Yes.
two friends. Shout out to Imon and Satogi, and another Shomalu too. He's not in our college. So
Okay.
with them, I spent most of my childhood, right?
Yes.
So then we decided to come to SNU as a group.
So you never had the friend named Milra that problem?
Yes, I have a big FOMO, like very
Hota
big.
hai, hota hai.
So like losing like my friends, no,
No,
I cannot
no.
ever afford that. So in that case, I came with my group to the college, made new friends together.
Yes.
And if things did not work out, I always had like this checkpoint. Like we
You
play
can always
games.
fall back.
Like we play games now, we go
Huh.
in a mission, we
Huh.
lose, then we just
Back to
restart from
play.
the last save point. So this is like my save
That's
point.
really nice.
Yeah.
So you're collecting friends as like treasure hunt.
Yes, exactly. A good team on the class.
And I really relate to that thing.
Huh.
Like, because like I have my friend SNR. He's like, his full name is Shishandra. He's from like the law department.
Yes.
I came to this college because of him,
Oh.
Damn.
and then I made friends and all. But he's like my OG. Like
He's
it's
the
like from
best
nursery.
friend.
Like,
Oh,
we know,
that's
ourselves
like
from
really.
nursery. That's
So
what-
you are a student in the college, and we have heard that school kills artists. On how many levels, from a range from 1 to 10, would you say that school kills artists?
I used to think of it as like 10 on 10, but right now, as of now, life goes ahead.
Yes.
I would say it's like a 6 out of 10 because my college, it's not that bad. What it does is like it gives a lot of assignments. Like I don't even get time to self-study, right? So like it's exams, assignments, assignment. When do I study?
I mean, they are keeping you updated with the assignment and exams so that you are studying.
So in that case, when I'm like on this loop of assignments and exams, when am I getting the time to get creative? We don't know.
Yeah,
We have to like
understandable.
very carefully manage time of our own.
So that's adulting.
That's adulting, yeah. That's what my
So-
mom says.
So how do you think your adult life is adulting? Is it adulting?
Oh, no, it's like what I was before. Like it's the same thing, just with a huge range of people
Yeah.
coming from different places. Like he's from like Chingri Ghata, right?
No, it's like full bagan. Yeah,
Full Bagan. Like
yes.
I never visited Full Bagan, but
Yeah.
I know someone from Full Bagan through my college, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's like that. I
That's
never
right.
visited
True.
Howrah and all.
True.
Yeah, but I have a contrasting analogy with this because, like, for me, it it always fueled me. It gave me inspiration to write on. If I'm going through a bad day in my school or college, I go back, I write a verse.
So
I write something about it, like to like vent myself.
So coming on all this, like adult life has, it might be a little bit tough. Let me put in a fun twist. If your budget, your bank account or your budget had a theme song, what would it be?
Right now,
Yes, right now.
it would be XO1 by Seedhe Maut.
Hey, say for me.
For real, man. I'm just too broke at this point. Yeah.
1, 2,
So-
3, 4 billion.
No, man.
Do, bro.
I'm just broke right now.
Winning awards must be fun, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes. So winning awards and also having recognition. You said you have your homies,
Yeah.
but do you ever feel like abhi jo dost hai, it's because of my fame, or they know me because I'm grim?
To some extent, I believe, yes. Because if I was not grim, if I did not have the personality I have right now,
Yes.
then people would not really be that interested in me, right? Like if
Huh.
without music, I'm
So
like a
you
dead
are
body.
saying that the music gave you the validation you have
Music
right
gave me
now.
like a soul.
So I kind of feel like I myself have a little bit fight with my inner child while also having to fake the adult life that I have right now. Do you ever feel the same?
You know what?
What?
I have something for you. I have a rap called Chotto Khatto.
Oh my god,
Let's
go
go.
on.
So
Let's
that
go.
is about not
Let's
losing
go.
our inner child for this
Yes.
world, right? This
Yes.
world tries and tries and tries to kill that.
Hmm.
But what we should do? We should never let that die.
Yes.
So for that, let's start.
Let's start.
Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go!
ছোট্ট খাট্ট জীবনে ভাঙতে দেখেছি স্বপ্ন কত আজ তবু রাখা আগলে সেই মন যার জানা অল্প স্বল্প রঙ্গমঞ্চ জীবনের যার অংশ হয়েছে জন্মগত চাইনি হতে তা কখনো বুঝতে চাইনি স্বর্গমর্ত সে জানে কেউ চলে যাওয়া মানে আকাশের তারা স্থান ওদের সে জানে করে আবদার হিসেব করে নিধাস ওদের চামড়া মাংস হাড় গড়ের আর বন্ধু করে নিঃস্বার্থকে কষ্ট জানতো কান ধরে করা বকজকে আর ভয়টা জানতো অন্ধকারের প্রান্তরে থাকার লোকজনে হাতের মুঠোয় জগৎ হারালো তফাৎ কবে সে রাত ভরে আজ না বলা দুনিয়ার উপর জমানো রাগ সাদা কালো দুনিয়ার থেকে দূর মনে আমার রং লোকানো থাক গ্রেম
Yo,
Oh
let's
my god,
go.
that's so pretty.
And I want to spit a verse too, man.
What?
Let's
Go
let's
on, go
let's
on.
I'm ready to sing it. Let's go. Yeah, it's like a banger track. Like it's ain't that deep. It's about me transitioning from like it's like I used to do English rap. It's like a middle ground for me. For like in the hip hop scene, so let's go Indian hip hop scene, let's go. जैसे बहुत सारे लोग करे talk shit करूँ मैं mosh pit flow मेरा boss sick इन सारे रैपरों के गानों में logic rhyme पे vomit born with soft skill करूँ मैं kill हर beat पे बंदा मैं ढीठ में थोड़ा बहुत slick जब चाहे करूँ मैं हिंदी में कभी मैं 11 और कभी 11 3 साल किया मैंने English पे spit back to the basic back to my shit कभी कभी हनुमान kind और कभी कभी बंदा मैं बन जाता पूरा देसी चले पूरी शोता नेशी KCT আমি বঙ্গবাসী schizophrenic my style got that chick on the hit list yo aka 11
Oh my god.
That was
That
hard.
was so nice.
Let's go.
I see like both of you have completely different niche of your music.
kind of
Yes.
kind of yeah
You have a much more softer, like you have like inspired by your own emotions, and he's
No, I'm
like
still finding my style. I have a song about depression too, but
Oh my
it's
God.
like I have dabbled between all these things.
I try not to bring the sad boy in.
Yeah.
Like it's always fun
I've tried
and funky.
everything. I've tried everything. I'm still finding my style.
okay.
It's
So
like an inner conflict between me, Krishnava, and 11.
Oh.
So I'm still fighting through that. So
I don't do that because I make music to perform, right? I
Yes.
love to perform.
huh.
So when I'm
The
performing,
stage is like your home.
yeah, it's my home. After the tapri. So when I perform, people don't want to hear sad songs on stage, right? Unless you
Yeah.
are Arijit Singh or someone like that.
Yeah.
So people want to have fun. So I try to make people have fun. Like no
Yeah.
one's gonna listen to Chotto Khatto on a stage, right? So
Yeah.
for that I
I
make
would.
songs.
No, I
Yeah, but
would.
it's a-
You
it's a
would,
banger,
but that's
it's a
a very
banger.
minority, right?
Yes.
For the major people, I don't. So they want to listen to songs like Green EXC, Double H Freestyle, which I do.
So we have seen the social trends change from like Afro music to suddenly to pop, then again back to Afro, then K-pop came in between. So does it ever affect you कि मेरे को अपना style put up करने में problem हो रहा है?
Never.
Never.
All these years, these trends came and went. But you know what industry was on the top for the last 10 years?
Hip hop?
Hip hop.
Yes.
yeah, for,
Artists like Travis Scott, J. Cole, they
it's
did
like
it.
it's been 50 years only.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hip hop has been
Yes.
only 50 years, but it's like the most known art form.
Household
I mean,
name.
there is a complete
Yeah.
aesthetic on it. Y2K is completely on these
Hip hop
rappers.
is all about street.
So how do you like have been collecting yourself whenever you fall back on whatever you have? Does it ever hit you कि नहीं यार मेरे को नहीं करना, I just want to get away from
Yeah, it always
everything?
does.
It always does. So what I do
Now
is
I'm thinking about quitting that now.
Yeah,
it's like,
what I do is I have a playlist like with songs from J. Cole, Kendrick Lamar, Steve Demon, these motivation tracks.
Huh.
Like
nah, it's
when
like,
I feel
yeah.
low, I just listen to that like and remind myself
नहीं,
why
मेरे
I
को
started.
करना है,
Why I
that's
started.
That's my biggest question. Who is your like the most favorite artist you just want to be featured in this song?
See them on Travis Scott,
Oh
J.
my,
Cole.
see them both.
For
These
me,
three.
I guess Eminem, J. Cole,
Yes.
MF Doom is no
I mean,
more,
Eminem just retired.
but if he can, we can reincarnate him.
Reincarnate him,
I
Nah,
mean,
just-
Slim Shady back.
Shady
Yeah,
back,
like
yes, sir.
Eminem and MF Doom.
Yes.
But I want to finish that question. Nah, it's like
question करना.
about quitting. Yeah,
हाँ.
I always feel that about quitting, but I have different motivations too to bring me back to music, like rap. I love movies. I love watching, reading comics and all. It's like fiction gives me that like storytelling
Huh.
thing.
Oh, that's
That
really
actually helps
nice.
me to rap.
Oh.
It's like I watch movies and all. I'm a big Quentin Tarantino fan, Martin Scorsese fan. So it's all somehow related to that. It's all related to
That's the
creating.
content.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like I'm doing screenplay with rap. Yeah, it's like that. Making
Oh my
music
God.
is like that for me.
So, finishing today's episode, concluding it, we had the loveliest chat with our rappers.
We did it.
Thank you for the audience for tuning in with us. It's me, Arisa Mukherjee, signing off. Stay tuned for episode 2 because one of my best friends are coming back. Ta-da! We are SNU Amplified, Real Roy and Unfiltered.
Yeah.
Hear us loud and clear.